Let's walk through on how to size a liner for a pond. Sizing a liner is easy. There are basically two main aspects of the pond to consider. The first is the length and width of the pond. We need to measure the maximum length and the maximum width to start off with. As you can see from the drawing, even though the pond has an irregular shape, we take our measurements in order to achieve the maximum length and width. But we're not done here, because in order to size the liner properly, we need to take the depth into consideration as well. We have to make sure that we have enough liner to get us down to the bottom of the pond and back up again. This is where the pond depth comes into play. So for this pond, let's just say it's 2 feet deep. For each dimension, the length and the width, we need to add 2 feet going down and 2 feet going up, leaving us with the addition of 4 feet to each dimension. Let's have you work out this example in full. In the pond here, what size liner do you think we need? Try it for yourself and then go to the next page for the answer. In this example, remember the pond is 2 feet deep. So we'll be adding a total of 4 feet to each dimension, or 2 times the depth. So over here we add the 4, we're going to get 18. Down here we'll add the 4, and we're going to get 28. To get our final liner size, we will round up to the nearest 5-foot increment, since this is how liner is sold. So the 18 now becomes 20, and the 28 now becomes 30. As you can see, we have a little extra liner to play with just in case you fall short on an edge, or even if this is your first pond build. If you calculated correctly, the final liner size that you will need is a 20 by 30.